Tesla stock. Yo, let's talk about Tesla stock for a minute. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. Instead of a vlog today, I'm gonna just do a sit-down video talking about Tesla stock because myself, I have about 40 shares of Tesla, and I've had these shares of Tesla for a long time. And I've been holding them, and I've watched Tesla go down and go down and go down and then go up and then go down, and then just recently, about a month ago, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, Tesla has been on a complete tear, and it's just been amazing. It's been amazing because I've been holding this stock and it's been going nowhere, and all of a sudden it's like it looks as if it's going to the sky. So for the past couple days, Tesla has been going up like crazy, and I have been waking up, pulling out my phone, and there's been a notification talking about Tesla hitting its 52-week high, Tesla hitting its 52-week high, and every day my eyes are just like, wow, 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 how high is this gonna go? How high is this gonna go? So today, I wake up and guess what? Tesla is down. Tesla is down. No, Tesla has been up. 2 days ago, Tesla was up 20%. Yesterday, Tesla was up 15%. And today, Tesla is down 14%. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, because I know a lot of people out there are wondering, Jermaine, are you gonna sell all your Tesla? Yesterday, I was hanging out with a friend like out in the city, and he was talking about the Tesla car, and then I started talking about the Tesla stock, and he told me, dude, if Tesla stock is up that high, you should sell, you should sell, you should sell, you should sell, you should sell. So a lot of people are wondering, like, are you gonna sell? And just recently, I was on YouTube, and two other YouTubers that I follow, one financial education channel, Jeremy. Jeremy's really, really awesome, really down-to-earth guy. Jeremy is a huge Tesla shareholder, and I was very surprised to hear that Jeremy sold a large percent of his Tesla holdings yesterday. And I'm just thinking, wow, maybe I should sell, or maybe I should have sold. And then there's another YouTuber I follow by the name of Grant Stefan. He is definitely more on the annoying side. You know, I still subscribe to him, but I would much rather watch Jeremy's videos versus Graham videos. And Graham talks far more about real estate. He's not really into stocks, and for the most part, he's not that big a fan of stocks. And he sold off half of his shares of Tesla, which he just randomly bought shares of Tesla. And Grant Stefan is the type of person who doesn't buy stock. He just invests in real estate. So if Grant Stefan, a guy who doesn't buy stock, if he invests in Tesla and you know, he bought Tesla and he held Tesla, pretty much he bought Tesla at the same price. We bought Tesla about the same amount of time. And in his video, he had a very similar story to my story. You know, he bought Tesla around 250, 280, around that price range, and he held Tesla, and Tesla just, you know, yesterday it went up to like, what, $965 or something like that. Insane. 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 Just 4 months ago, this stock was like negative, and now it's up like 177% for the year. Like, I mean, I guess today with this correction, and we'll have to see how this correction goes in the market, okay? Just because this falls 15%, it's not a bad thing, okay? It's not a bad thing. One thing that did happen, Tesla did reach a new 52-week high of $986.99. So that's pretty cool. It did reach a new high. And I think that was pretty high. You know, maybe the stock price shot up, and then maybe it's gonna come back down to around the $600, $700, possibly the $500 mark. Maybe it'll hang out around there for a little bit, or who knows? Maybe tomorrow it'll just recover everything it lost. Or maybe tomorrow, or maybe today, instead of Tesla closing at 14%, maybe Tesla could possibly close at 10%. You know, I'm making this video in the middle of the trading day, and the markets are not closed right now, so I really don't know what's gonna happen. But am I gonna sell Tesla? Tesla is a long-term play for me. When Tesla was going up, when it got to about 100%, I was really excited, and I was just thinking to myself, nice, like if this stock falls, I got a long way before it hits my money, you know, before it's got to fall 50%, you know. And now to see it much higher than 100%, You know, I just want to step back. I don't want to buy any more Tesla because it's just too expensive. It is too expensive, yo. Stock price is what, doubled? Now, if this was a stock price that was $10 and it went from $10 to $20, that's still affordable to buy that stock. But when Tesla is, I mean, what is Tesla right now? $758 a share. I'm just not going to be going out buying Tesla. I mean, bottom line, that's a lot of money. I don't think a lot of people are just buying Tesla at that price. I mean, there are a lot of people buying Tesla at that price, but they're not getting a lot of Tesla. Maybe they're getting 1 share or 2 shares. But if you're looking at something like Uber, something that's like, you know, $37 a share, like that's far more affordable. Even stocks that are $100 a share, that's far more affordable, because with $300, at least you can get 300 shares. But with $300, you're not even going to get a share of Tesla. So yeah, I would say Tesla is pretty expensive right now. Now, what do I think it's going to go in the future? I think Tesla is going to continue to increase. I think it's going to continue to go up in value. Stocks do this, guys. They go through bumps, they go through hiccups, and if you're in it for the long run, you won't even worry about this. Like I care nothing that it dropped 15% today. Like, it would be nice if it went back down to like $400, because if it went back down to $400, like I could actually buy more shares of Tesla. But at, you know, $600 and $700, $800, $900, like dude, I'm priced out of the market there. I'm not going to be buying any Tesla. And a lot of people may wonder, will Tesla stock split? I don't think Tesla stock is going to split anytime soon, just because even if it went to 1,000, or if it went to 1,500, or if it went to 2,000, I think it would probably hang out there for a little bit. Like, it would stay at those high numbers. There's some stocks out there that are just priced well over $1,000, and that's just the name of the game. For example, Booking Holdings here, it's what, $1,900 a share, and it's been up here for more than a year. Like, it's been in these more than $1,000 price ranges. So a stock like Tesla could easily hang out in the, you know, $1,000, $2,000 per share without splitting. But then I wonder if it was $2,000 a share, how would they split it? Because I mean, usually stocks don't split 10 to 1. And if it was 10 to 1, it would be $200 a share, which would still be kind of expensive. A lot of times when stock splits, have splits, it's like more of an affordable rate. Like, it's more like $100 a share. But if Tesla was that, I don't know, Tesla's not $2,000 a share. I'm just thinking far out of the box here. But I don't think, yeah, Tesla's not going to split anytime soon. I just think the stock price would just be really, really high for some time. But what about people jumping into Tesla? What about people jumping into Tesla? Honestly, if I was on the outside looking in at Tesla, if I had money in my Robinhood account and it was sitting there and I had not invested in Tesla, and I see this run up and Tesla's going up, like it's going up, I wouldn't invest in Tesla. I wouldn't. Right now, I already have Tesla, and I will not buy more Tesla because I think it's too expensive. I think it's too expensive, and at the prices that I have all my Tesla, like, it would have to fall like a whole lot for it to really affect me. So I'm sort of just sitting on the sideline here. Like, there's a lot of house money in between the Tesla stock price and the Tesla stock price that I bought it for. So me, I can just sit back and chill. But if you are on the sidelines and you're thinking of jumping into Tesla, I would say, yo, be very cautious. Be very cautious. Do not play this as a short-term play. Okay, do not play this as a short-term play, because you may jump in and you may put a couple $1,000, and who knows, Tesla might fall 30% and it may stay below 30% for a year. You know, like, this is a very speculative play here. And like I say, I mean, I would say if you want to get into Tesla, only do it for the long run. I mean, years out, like 3 years minimum. 3 years minimum, 5 years, 10 years would be better. You're gonna see more profits. The company will have far more time to grow. Like, I think this company is going to be the most valuable company in the US. Like, honestly, I think it's hands down will be the most valuable company in America. It will be a Dow company. Like, Tesla will be paying a dividend soon. Someone asked me recently, so Jermaine, do you think you're gonna get another car soon? My response was no. I don't think I'll ever own another car, because I believe very, very soon there will be driverless cars, a Tesla car will be able to pick me up. Like I can download a Tesla app and a Tesla car will be able to pick me up from San Francisco and drive me all the way to Santa Barbara. Okay, like this is the future I have for this company, and I have this vision, and I have a lot of faith in this company. Elon Musk, I think Elon Musk is amazing, yo. And it's crazy, like people like Elon Musk or people hate Elon Musk. I mean, I'm gonna repeat that one more time. People like Elon Musk or they hate Elon Musk. There's a lot of people out there that still call Elon Musk a fraudster, and they still say that Tesla is not profitable. Whenever I hear someone say that Tesla is not profitable, I don't even argue with them. I just know that they don't know what's up with Tesla, because Tesla, they're making profits now, yo. Like this is not a company, like literally Tesla took out money from the government, right? And they've already repaid that money back years early, and they did that years ago, yo. Other car companies aren't doing that. Other companies don't do that, yo. They don't get government grants and pay back the government early. Like Tesla did this because Tesla was making a profit, yo. Tesla's making money, yo. Don't get me wrong, they still have to spend a lot of money to grow because this is a new company and they're building cars. Cars are not cheap to build. When you're a small company like Beyond Meat and you need to open up a factory to produce meat, you know, a factory to produce meat doesn't cost that much, okay? Maybe it costs, you know, $5 million, $10 million, $20 million for like a larger factory, a distribution plant, okay? But when you get into Tesla, they're building gigafactories, which cost $1 billion+ to build, $1 billion+ to build versus $5 million for a factory to make, you know, burgers, or a factory to make, you know, something else, you know, something in China or something like that. So it costs a lot of money. So yeah, when a car company is growing, they're gonna have to spend a lot of money, okay, on factories, on equipment to build factories, on research and development. But Tesla, yeah, this is not financial advice, by the way. Look, I'm not telling anyone to invest in Tesla. I think I made it very, very clear in this video, like do not get into Tesla for the short term. And you know, if you do want to get into Tesla, and I'm not like encouraging anyone to get into Tesla, but if you do want to get into Tesla, I would say the long-term play would be the safest route, just because this stock is just doing this, man. Like now it's just going up and down. You know, we've been having some uptick movements, but today we're down, and as of the making of this video, let's see where Tesla is at. So we're at about 13%. So we're recovering a little bit, but today it's just gonna be down. I mean, I think a lot of people are taking profits, especially around the $600, $700 mark. A lot of people, a lot of retail investors jumped into Tesla, and they're like, yo, let's throw some money into Tesla. And then Tesla went up to $900, and guess what? People are like, yo, let's take some profits. So it was actually easy money to be made off Tesla. But for me, I'm not making easy money off Tesla. I don't want to pay the short-term taxes. I want to leave it in there long-term. And yeah, that's just what I got to say about Tesla. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Just want to talk about Tesla for a little bit. And anyway, peace out, yo.